So we are about to start a couple of minutes from now, or 45 minutes from now. So there are people already. So these are the curtains that I actually bought. It's not enough because they don't have stock, so there's only one piece per window. This is how the church looks like. So these are the pretty usherettes of the church. This is Erica, Nizel, Jana, and the queen of the night, Shannon, and Joey, ilang leader. Yeah, they're doing the usher job, and I hope they're doing good. Hi, Inday! Sama ka, Inday. Yeah, kids here are too shy.